Generating new leads and customers for your business has never been easier. Let me show you how to do it. First, create a project. We'll call this one Mark's Real Estate Company. Put your website address in here if you have one. Now click Start My New Project. Okay, so your project has been created and it shows here in the dashboard. Now you click this button to make your first lead capture form. You can browse our templates or create your own form. Let's see if there's a template already created for generating real estate leads. Awesome! There's already a lead generation form made for real estate agents. So let's click Use this theme. Now we click the new form it created to load it into the form editor. So we start with the cover page, which says, "Let us help find the perfect home." And there's a button to start the form. To change the text, simply click the text and change it to what you want. In this example, Mark only offers real estate in California. So let's change the title to Looking for a Home in California. Then let's change the button text to Yes, find my perfect home. If you want to change the image on a form, click the image and click Change Image. Now search for the image you're looking for. In this case, we'll search for home. So right away, I see a beautiful home with palm trees and a pool. Click the image you want to use and then drag the cropping box to the part of the image you want to show. Now click Save. There you go. Your new image is showing and it looks great. Now click the Save Form button to save your changes. The next part of the form is the questions. Because we're using a template, there's already some common questions ready to go. You can see the first question is, do you want to rent or buy? Click this question to load it into the editor. Same as the cover page, you can edit the question text and the answers right here in the editor. I'm going to leave these as they are for now. This question has two answers. If they click rent, we will ask a question about renting a home. If they click buy, we will ask a question about buying a home. I'll show you how this logic works later. First, let's take a look at the next question. If the user is interested in renting a house, they will be asked for a rental budget. You can see the next question is, what is your rental budget? Click that question to load it into the editor. You can edit the question answers by clicking on the text in the answer. If you want to add an answer, click the Add Answer button. Now change the text to the answer and you're done. If you want to remove an answer, look back at the left panel and click the trash can icon next to the answer you want to delete. Confirm the action and it's done. Now click the Save Form button to save your changes. Okay, let's look at the next question. If the user said they were interested in buying a home, we will ask, what is your purchase budget? I like how all the answers look. Let's leave everything the same here and move on to the final question that comes up for everyone after they answer the budget question, a few contact details. This question collects the user's name, email, phone number, and the best time to contact them. If you want to collect additional information, click the Add Input button. Let's ask them when they want to move in. Now click Save Form to save your changes. Okay, so we finished editing all the questions. So let's take a look at the final step. This is the page that shows when the user is done answering all the questions and lets them know we will be in contact with them soon. Let's change this image to be a picture of a smartphone. Now click the Save Form button to save your changes. And we're done. Before we start collecting new leads, let's preview this form just to be sure everything is exactly as we want it. First, I like to preview in the logic editor because you can edit text from any question right here on the screen. This is where you can send the user to different questions depending on their answers. We'll talk more about how to use the logic editor in the next video. It's really pretty easy. If you like what you see in the logic editor, click the preview button in the top menu and that will load two versions of the form. On the left is the classic form style that asks each question on a new page. On the right is the chatbot style that asks each question like the user is chatting with a live person. Both form styles will ask the same questions and collect the same information, and you can pick the style you want to use when you go to share the form. Okay, let's close out the preview window and go back to our form editor. If you're happy with everything, it's time to share the form and start collecting leads. Click the Share Embed button in the top menu bar. There are a bunch of options to share your form. You can share it to your website or to your Facebook, but the easiest way is to share it with a direct link you can copy and paste and send anywhere you want. So let's click Share a direct link to your form. This is where you can decide if you want to share the form in the classic style or the chatbot style. Now simply click this button to copy the link to your clipboard, and then you can paste it anywhere you want to share it, to an email or to a Facebook post or to an advertisement you want to run. When someone clicks your form link, it will load the lead generation form you just created, and it will capture the answers they give to the project in your dashboard. To see the leads your form has generated, click the dashboard button in the top menu bar to return to your dashboard. You will see the number of people who completed your form to the right of your form name in your project. Wow, we have already generated 3 leads from this form. Click the number of leads to show them. Here you will see a list of leads that have been collected from your form. Click the reference ID number to see the details of each lead. Here you will see the answers this customer gave to the questions. So Charlie wants to buy a home. He has a budget of $500,000 to $1 million, and here is the contact details they gave so you can contact them and follow up on the lead. You can enter notes about this lead to help you track your progress as you try to close the sale. You can also set a reminder that will alert you to take action on this lead if needed. Click Save to save your changes. Go ahead and check out all the responses to your lead generation form. Start contacting customers and closing sales. When you're done looking at the leads, go back to your dashboard where you can manage your projects and lead generation forms. If you want to learn more about something, click the tutorial videos button in the support section. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.